Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have completed the 3 points of formation of a company. As we all know that there are 4 points in the formation of a company. The first one is promotion, second is registration, third one is commencement of business, and last one is capital subscription. So yesterday we have completed the 3 points. Today we are going to start our 4th point, that is capital subscription. So a private company can start its business after getting the certificate of registration, but in case of public company there is a requirement of 2 types of certificate. The first one is incorporation certificate, just like private companies, and second certificate is commencement of business certificates. Okay beta, so 2 certificates are required in public company, and incorporation certificate means 1 certificate is required in private company. So these are the steps under the capital subscription. The first one is SEBI. SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India, means to say that it is a regulatory body of all the stock exchanges. Okay, so it controls the capital market to protect the interest of the investors, those who invest in the shares, in the those person who invest their capital in the shares. Then capital market is also controlled by the SEBI, and in this the interest of the investors are also protected by the SEBI. Public company must submit all the important information with the SEBI before issuing its security in the capital market. So any information, any important facts which are concealed by the company, which are hid by the company, registration can be cancelled. So the disclosure of all the material facts which are related with the investors' protection are disclosed by the company. So next one is prospectus. Prospectus means invitation to public to come and take our company's shares and invest in our company. So in simple terms we can say that invitation to public to subscribe to its shares. It has to be deposited with the registrar. And third one is appointment of bankers, brokers and underwriters. Bankers will perform, receive and deposit application money, and broker will help in selling the shares on the basis of commission, and underwriter, they ensure that the issued securities are subscribed fully, means to say that if a company expecting out of 100 shares 90 shares are subscribed by the public, and public subscribed only 80% shares, so the gap between 90 and 80 means 10% gap will be filled by the underwriters, means underwriter will purchase 10% shares. Next is minimum subscription. Minimum subscription means to make sure that company doesn't have any kind of shortage of funds. So it's mandatory for the company. The company will set a criteria that some minimum number of shares on which the application amount will be received. So if I talk about out of 100 shares, company ensure that 90% of application amount will be received before the allotment. If a company cannot make any allotment of shares, company will not allot the shares unless the minimum subscription amount is not received. So SEBI rules, company must receive 90% of issue amount within the 120 days. Minimum subscription not received, then the application money within the next 10 days will be returned to the investors. So if company issues 10,000 shares, so minimum subscription is 9,000. Application to the stock exchange. So company get listed itself to the stock exchange before issuing the securities to the public. If company will not get any kind of permission from this, then the allotment will be void and the application money will be returned. So after that, the stock exchange authorities verify all the financial soundness of the company, and he will verify the other aspects of the company. If the stock exchange authorities satisfied, then company will be listed. Next one is allotment of shares. After that, the name of the company listed, means to say that the company's name is listed in the stock exchange. Now the company will prepare return of allotment, means to say detail about the name and address of all the shareholders, and submitted this to the registrar along with the stock exchange. So this is all about the capital subscription. Thank you so much.